process. Maybe you need to reduce costs, maybe you want to reduce footprint, maybe you want to change some kind of performance aspect. There's different ways to go about it. You know you want to automate. It's not new news. We all need to try to automate, but how do I do it? There's a lot of risk. Maybe you don't have the resources. Maybe you don't want to put a lot of time and expense into something that it might not work when you're done. So I know I want to automate, but how do I get there, right? Our foundation is as a distributor, which means we represent different manufacturers. We align ourselves with who we believe to be the ideal manufacturer for each part of an automation system, from the PLC down to the end effector. As you're trying to automate and you need to make all those decisions, and it's a ton of decisions going from the PLC to the end effector, we can help you make the right decisions, and then we've got the resources from those suppliers and the product itself to be able to help you put that finished product together. In addition to representing those suppliers, one of the things we do is offer the capability of being able to get a completed system rather than having to buy a bunch of components. All those decisions that I talked about, trying to optimize your system, result in all these choices, and that's a lot of choices to make, but this is our world, this is what we do every day. We can help make the right decisions, but then be able to put together the complete system, so instead of buying a whole bunch of stuff and trying to figure out how to put it together and where to put it, we can help make sure that that finished system is ideal for what you're trying to accomplish. You don't have to worry about all the supply chain aspects of buying all those things and getting them in on time. The inventory, maybe you're building a machine, maybe you're an OEM. They don't have to worry about ordering all those different things. Plus the incoming QC, the process for building it. We have very specific instructions for putting that thing together. You know, that could be a lot of extra work. And you buy one thing, one price, and it comes in completed and tested.